Hi, and welcome to Element Z3, Antarctica. Antarctica is a massive continent that takes up about 5.5 million square miles. Until recently, it was hard to explore. The rough seas, the complete isolation, and the difficult climate made it impossible for early nomadic people to reach it. It had no human inhabitants until the 1950s. Antarctica is a temporary home for an annual population of 1,000 to 5,000 people. On average, the ice that covers the landmasses is 5,900 feet thick. The average temperature there is minus 60 Fahrenheit, and there are constant winds that sweep the mountains and valleys at over 60 miles per hour. White nights, day and nights of constant light, happen around the summer solstice. Near the winter solstice, it is entirely dark throughout the day and night. Living in Antarctica is extremely challenging. No food grows there, and long periods of darkness can cause depression. High altitudes can cause altitude sickness. The sunlight that bounces off the snow and ice can cause sunburns and snow blindness. However, Antarctica is a great place to do scientific research. The winter nights are incredibly dark for observation of the solar system. The harsh environment is perfect for testing equipment for difficult terrain and conditions. It provides a perfect place to study ocean creatures like penguins and whales. Antarctica does not belong to any one country. It does not have a government of its own. Countries argued for years over who had rights to it. Seal and whale hunters nearly wiped out several species of animals that fed near its shores. In 1959, 12 countries signed the Antarctic Treaty, which allows the use of the land for scientific and peaceful purposes only. Since then, 38 countries have signed the treaty. There are over 50 research stations in Antarctica, and many different countries own them. Some are summer only stations, and some are year round facilities. Some stations have had to be rebuilt several times because of the snow. The new South Pole Station uses a special system to try to evade this problem. The station is built on hydraulic stilts and gets raised as the snow gets higher. The research stations have fancy scientific equipment and labs. Most stations contain gyms, medical units, saunas, kitchens, and dormitory style rooms. Greenhouses grow vegetables and fruit. Each station generates its power using special fuel generators and solar panels. The fuel is mixed with antifreeze and stored in special fuel bladders to keep it from freezing. To be allowed to live in Antarctica, you must be at one of the research stations. You can apply for a job as a research scientist, a member of the medical staff, a maintenance worker, or an engineer. Many researchers apply for jobs in Antarctica several times before being offered a position. Most people work there for 6 months to 1 year before going home. The choice to live in Antarctica for some time might seem strange. Although it is impossible to go to the movies, see friends and family, or visit restaurants and parks, people living in Antarctica still find time for fun. They can go skiing or sledding and have some special events. There is even a yearly race. It is called the Race Around the World. Runners race around the geographic South Pole and the South Pole marker. During the race, the runner goes through all the world's time zones. Living in Antarctica is a superior experience, and only a few people in the world will get to experience it. Question time. Why were there no people in Antarctica for so long? What do people do for fun in Antarctica? What do people study in Antarctica? What is the weather like in Antarctica? Why was the Antarctic Treaty important? What are some of the benefits and challenges of living in Antarctica? The answers. Till then, you know what to do. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and thank you for staying tuned. Keep supporting the community.